Stop. Do you know Google Maps has a secret feature that lets you walk the streets of Paris right from your house? Literally walk. Today I will show you how to use Google Maps to virtually see an entire area directly from your phone before you physically arrive anywhere. It is just like real life. Last month, I virtually walked the entire road from my hotel to the beach using this feature. Honestly, when I went there in real life, it felt like I had been there before. It is that realistic. It is not fake graphics or a 3D model, but the actual photo of that road. This trick will change the entire experience of your next tour. Many of us know the normal map features, but a lot of people do not know how to use the true power of Street View. We all check the map route before going anywhere, but you cannot understand the real condition of the road just by looking at the blue line on the map from above. Maybe you booked an expensive hotel, but when you went there in real life, you saw it was inside a dark alley, or you entered a street where there is no space to turn a car around. To avoid these problems, today we will learn the correct way to use Street View, live traffic checking, and location tracking. Now I will show you something that will make your head spin. So let us go straight to the screen without delay. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on your profile or question mark icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you have to go to Settings and turn on the Locations option. This is a very important setting. If the location is not on, the map will not be able to correctly track which way you are walking in real life. I always keep the high accuracy mode on so that even if the GPS signal drops a little, the map does not show me the wrong way. Remember, if this one setting is not right, the magic you will see later will not work properly. So confirm it right now. Now tap on the white search bar at the very top of the screen. As an example, we are typing Eiffel Tower, Paris. You can give the name of any place you prefer. After writing the name, press the search button on your keyboard or click on the first option that comes up in the search results. Immediately, the map will take you to that location in Paris and an information card will pop up at the very bottom of the screen. Now take the info card that came at the bottom of the screen and slowly swipe upon it. Here you will see some of the latest photos, videos, and reviews of that place. These photos are not taken by Google. They are uploaded by normal people like you and me. So they are quite realistic. Now the fun part, if you scroll a bit, you will see attractions. Click here and see what hidden gems Google has found for you that you will not find in a normal tourist guide. Through this, you will get a clear list of popular spots nearby. Once you finish looking at the nearby places, click on the back button on the top left to return to the previous screen. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you will see an option named More. Click on it. Then many categories will come in front of you. I often use this filter feature to easily find sightseeing spots or restaurants right near my main location. This way I do not need to search on Google separately. Now let us get to the real magic. Would you believe that from now on you can virtually walk any street in any city? Not just walk, you can turn around and look 360 degrees all around. How? Watch. We know where the place is and what is nearby, but how will we go there from our hotel? Click on back again. Now click on the blue directions icon on the screen. The map will now create a default route from your current location to that place in Paris. This is the very first step to start our virtual tour. Look at the very top of the screen. Select your method of transportation from here. Will you go by car, on foot, or by public transport? If you click on the train icon, you will see the time shows maybe 45 minutes. And if you click on the walking icon, it might show 2 hours and 15 minutes. I usually check the virtual walking route more because doing this easily shows the shortcut alleys inside the main road, which the car route often does not show. After selecting your method of travel, click on the preview button at the bottom of the screen. This will give you a blue line overview of the entire route on the map. If you want, you can click the start button to begin the map directions directly. But here is the real twist. So let us do something that will make you feel like you are truly standing on the streets of Paris right now. Our main goal is to walk and see the road with our own eyes before going. So after confirming the route, we will now enter Street View directly. click on the small square street view option or icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Sometimes it can also be a small person icon. As soon as you click, your normal map view will change and come right down to the street level. It will feel as if you are truly standing on that street in Paris. You will be able to see the surrounding buildings, roads and cars very clearly. The first time I used this, honestly, I got goosebumps. It is so realistic that it felt like I was really standing there. Now we will move forward. Click on the white arrows you see on the road. Clicking once will take you a few steps forward on the road. By tapping repeatedly like this, you will be able to walk down the entire road. I always walk using these arrows at least once from my hotel to the main station before going on a trip. This makes the roads feel very familiar when I go there in real life. Hey, wait. 90% of people make a silly mistake here, and maybe you are about to make that mistake right now. What is it? Many people come to this view and tap in the wrong place while trying to see details. If you want to focus on something, you can pinch out with 2 fingers on the screen to zoom out or zoom in. Or if you want to return to the normal view, pinch in with your fingers to zoom in or reset on the screen. This zoom feature is incredibly helpful for reading any signboard or shop name by the side of the road. Besides moving forward or backward, you can look left and right if you want. For this, move your finger left, right, up or down on the screen. You can see your surroundings in a full 360 degrees. Swiping up will show the condition of the sky or tall buildings. And swiping down will let you check the condition of the road and whether there is a sidewalk or zebra crossing. Checking this sidewalk is very necessary for people who travel with a wheelchair or stroller. My friend's father moves in a wheelchair. Because they did not know this trick before going to Singapore, they got stuck in many places. You must not make this mistake. Look at that. You can now travel the whole world with a free app. Now, if this video was even a little helpful to you, subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel right now, because I regularly share practical and useful technology tips like this that will make your daily life much easier. Do not forget to leave a like on the video. Let us go back to our map again. Now let me give you a bonus tip that will keep your trip more organized. When you see any important place in Street View, like a pharmacy, ATM or police station, you can long press that place and save it. This way, you will not have any problem finding them in an emergency in real life. Think about reaching a new city at night and suddenly needing emergency medicine. If you save the nearest pharmacy beforehand, you can reach there in 1 second. This small tip can save you from a very big problem. So this was the detailed guide on using Google Maps, Street View and route planning. From now on, you must virtually walk and check the road at least once before going anywhere. This will make the risk of getting lost in unknown places absolute zero. And not just safety, you can walk around like a local guide in front of your friends. They will think you are a magician, but actually you are just smart. You can comment and let me know where your next trip is going to be. Ending it here for today. See you in another video with a new tech solution. Stay well.